magkaroon ng isang peaceful transition at fair election. Dahil kapag tayo nagkaroon ng civil war or kung anumang pagbagsak ng gobyerno, ito po yung makakasama sa ating ekonomiya. Pero do you think kailangan pang umabot ng 2028 or ano bang best for our country? In your view?
Well, definitely we cannot afford war. We cannot afford it. Napakahirap ng bansa natin at ang kaguluhan na magre-resulta ng isang civil war will cost us a lot. It will not help the Filipino people. But pag tinignan mo naman yung kasaysayan natin, tayong inventor ng People Power Revolution in 1986. And then we did it again in 2001 kay Erap Estrada. So the rest of the world copied it from us. So there is still a way of changing at mag-transition ng government without a bloody revolution. Yun nga kay Erap Estrada, wala namang bloody confrontation doon. It was just a withdrawal of support na inaffirm naman ng Supreme Court na sinabi na given the circumstances, parang naging constructive resignation ito ni Erap when we stepped out of Malacanang. So legally, it's still possible na mangyari ito. Ang tanong na lang dyan is the willingness of the people and the participants. Pero I really think for that to happen, hindi militar ang mag-uumpisa nito. Hindi yung mga armado. Ang mag-uumpisa nito yung sambayan ng Pilipino. When the people move, the military, the police would have to follow.
A boat is not for sale. A boat is not for sale. It's not